Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the SteelSeries Apex 90KL. So let's get into it. And it has yellow switches, I think. And I just got this from Best Buy like 30 minutes ago. I've already opened it. I haven't tested it out, so yeah. There you go. You open it right here, right there. Let's see what it looks like. Let me just. Here's the keyboard, guys. So I'm going to test how it sounds. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but like, that's good. And this is my first mechanical keyboard. So like, boom. Oh. So I'm going to cut until we get to my setup, and I'm going to get the wire real quick. So we're at my room right now, and I'm at my setup. So I'm going to take this plug off right here, like what's holding it up. And I think it has yellow switches. We'll check that out pretty soon. How do you take this? Okay. So there's another one. There's another thing that's holding it up. Okay. So I'm excited. So let's plug that in. Take this and put that. Okay, so we've got this plugged in. I'm gonna turn on my PlayStation 5. See what it looks like. So let's see what type of switches it has. Yeah, as I was right, it has yellow switches right there. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Yeah, actually. Dad, look at this. Dad. Oh, this is so nice. So. Okay, so what does this do? Oh, I'm excited. So I'm gonna go into Fortnite. Okay, I'm gonna get my headphones. So I'm gonna show you my old keyboard compared to my new keyboard. So this is my old one. It did not have any switches, so I'm gonna try to. Yeah, it did not have any switches. I can just tell by the sound and how smushy it is. So with that, and this keyboard cost $111. So we're going. I haven't put keyboard and mouse on keyboard. So I'm just going to like practice. Yeah, it has yellow switches. So just put that back. Ooh. Like look. so responsive. Okay, so I'm gonna go into a practice map. What? Okay, so I'm gonna go into a practice. Never mind. So I'm gonna just go into this map. Okay, this is how it looks like, guys. I'm gonna like close this because guys can't probably see it that good, but this is how it looks like. And if right here, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like it turns orange, which I think is pretty cool. It's like under like a body stuff one. This is so responsive. No way. No way, no way. Oh my god. So there's also a thing called like double edit bind. I don't know what that means. So I'm pretty sure you just have 2 edit binds. I'm gonna do E, then F. So I'm gonna change my sensitivity real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna have to adjust these settings. This should be better. It's better. Okay, so I'm gonna check this out because there's a thing, the double edit bind. So, 1 sec. So, okay, so I'm gonna take that off. Okay, so double edit bind. Right? This is so nice. I'm just grateful that I have this. I'm back. I've never played on a keyboard and mouse. So, but I don't know. I have it. Okay. Like it's so. Oh. Go back. Stop. Okay. Stop auto run. Okay, stop. No? Okay. I'm gonna try to do a triple edit. I'm probably not gonna be able to do it. Or like a double edit at least. I'm gonna try a double edit first. No, triple edit actually. Okay. Hopefully I get this. Yeah. Not actually so responsive. My edits and fast. Yeah.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Okay, so that was it. And that was me unboxing the Apex Pro 90KL. My first ever mechanical keyboard. So, goodbye guys.